Yay! Welcome back to my channel, and I'm so glad you joined in once again. If you're new to this channel, please do well to follow this video to the end. If you're impressed, do well to subscribe, do well to like, do well to share. Most importantly, do well to hit the notification button so that every video we upload, you'll be updated on time. Yes, today we're looking at banana chips. Bananas are generally cholesterol-free, fat-free, sodium-free, and a good source of fiber. And it's a fiber that makes you feel fuller when you eat the bananas. And it's very nutritious because, especially for the green ones, they tend to be full of fiber. They are good for the heart. They are great for weight loss. They are excellent source of vitamins, good for diabetics, a good source of resistant starch, and great for tummy problems. And the great thing about bananas is that, yes, they come in different varieties across the world as well. In Ghana, we have what we call the local and then the abrofo impua. Yes, the local and then the foreign banana. That's what we generally call them around here. But then there are different varieties. Yes. For banana chips, what you'll be needing, your ingredients, you need a bunch of banana. You need some salt to taste. You need some cooking oil for deep fry. The tools and equipment you need for a successful banana chips fry is a knife or a shredder or a grater, chopping board, which is optional if you're going to use a knife, then bowls, some frying pan, and strainers or plates, or some hanky, some napkin or tissue paper. What you want to do first and foremost is to soak your banana a bit. Often you realize that it's hard to successfully remove the skin if you don't soak it. So the best way to easily remove the skin is to soak it in some water. Just a few seconds or minutes. It will soften it up and make it easy for you to peel the skin, which will come out looking nice. Once you're able to peel the skin, you can discard that. Then you take your mixing bowl. Then you add in your water and your salt and form your salt solution. The salt, however I said, is optional. You can decide to fry without the salt solution. You can just cut and then fry. And you can also decide to just salten your chips after you've prepared your chips. However, I'm told it's actually not the best way to eat your banana chips with salt. So you can use your grater. Most graters have a shredding part. Yes, you can check the type of grater you have, then you use it. You can equally use a shredding knife. You just need to be very careful with this, especially when it is very, very new, or you are new to it, else you end up cutting your finger off because they come very, very sharp. Yes, so you need to be careful with that. You can equally use your knife as well. Your knife, and most people say, how do you do it? How do you get your sizes equal with the knife? I use my nail to guide it as I'm cutting, so my fingers serve as a guide for it. Yes, so you can use your knife to equally cut. If you are new to it, please take your time and then get your sizes as even as possible so that they would all cook beautifully. Once you're done cutting your banana, whether you're going to use a knife, a shredder, or a grater, once you're done, then you move to frying. I always recommend you do your frying on a constant medium heat. So you preheat your oil, then you put it at a constant medium heat. Once your oil is hot enough and ready to receive your banana, which is grated or shredded, then you'd want to use a perforated spoon to drain as much water as possible from it. As much water as possible. Then you fry. I don't recommend you stir so much at the beginning. Once you put it in, just stir just a little. Then you allow it to form for a while before you start mixing it up. If you're too quick to be mixing, what you're going to do is to break it even before they form. So allow it to form nicely before you mix or you stir it up. Then once it's golden brown, You can scoop it out and into your strainer. You can let the oil drip off and you let air pass on it. Once it's well done, you realize that it becomes less foamy in the oil and it becomes very crisp as well. Your oil may foam because of the high starch in the banana, the raw banana. Yes, so if your oil foams up a bit, don't be too scared. And yay, your banana chips is ready. You can actually serve your banana chips with some granite, or you can just have it like that for a snack any time of the day. So parents, let's do some for the kids. Let's do some for the house. Let's do some for our movie time. Students, let's do some as we learn. So do well to try this dish out. Do well to send in your comments. Do well to give us your feedback as to how it went. Most importantly, do well to take a picture when you try the banana chips recipe and let us know how it went with the various types of banana you used, and then drop that picture in the comment section or my Instagram page or my Facebook page, or just WhatsApp it to me. Thank you very much for joining us once again. For my team and I, we're so glad you're here. We say have fun, enjoy life, live life to the fullest, but most importantly, let every food moment count. So together, join us in our next food episode to make that food moment count. Lots of love for my team and I. Mwah.